How to create Google Form with photo upload. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create Google Form with photo upload. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in to create Google Form with photo upload, open an existing form firstly. You will see the multiple choice drop down, tap on that and then tap on the file upload option and then tap on continue. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle on the button for Allow only specific file types and further select the images checkbox and also select the minimum number of files and maximum file size. Also, you will see the required toggle button, so go ahead and toggle on the button for required. Now, to upload the image, copy the Google Form link and paste it in a new tab. And as you can see here, there is a button for add file. So go ahead and tap on that and further go ahead and select the image that you want to upload. And with this, the image will be uploaded. So tap on the submit button. Now, if you open your Google Form to check the response, you can see the response is sent in an image format. So this is how you can create Google Form with photo upload. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.